Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today I'm looking at remote controls. We have three remote controls that are supposedly defective. This one I removed the battery, but I didn't put it back because I saw signs of corrosion. And let me show you quickly under the microscope. So as you can see here, the battery terminal is pretty corroded. And even on the other side, there's signs of corrosion also. I'm going to start with this one right here. I'm going to open it and then come back and show you what to do with. I mistakenly muted the microphone, so I'm going to do a bit of a voiceover. Here I'm just going over the board to see how badly corroded it is. Right there, the connector is pretty bad. This one, not so bad. But yeah, this one is pretty corroded. On the back is also a bit of signs of corrosion, but otherwise the back is fairly clean. I'm going to start first by using isopropyl alcohol to try to remove the corrosion. Let's check it under the microscope. It looks much improved, but still quite a bit of corrosion there. So next I tried some vinegar. I was out of white vinegar, so I had to use the vinegar that I had. Here I'm just dousing the connectors with the vinegar, and I will let it sit for a few minutes. Okay, so here I came back after a few minutes and I'm brushing it with my toothbrush. And the view under the microscope, again, a bit of an improvement from before, but still a bit of corrosion. So now I'm going to use my grinding pen to grind away the blue spots that are remaining. Now the back side of the connector. As you can see, the grinding pen is doing a wonderful job. Alright, I'm going to use some IPA now. Seeing what I've done so far with the grinding pen. You hear some loud noises, there's some construction going on nearby. Nothing I can do about it. I think that's looking much better. Let's go under the microscope quickly. As far as corrosion, I think we're done. So let's do a quick test. So I'm going to put the battery in. Negative is on the bottom. This is fitting too loosely. I need to bend this a bit. There we go. That's better. Alright, let's give it a test. There we go. Second button. Yeah. First button again. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to put it back together and we'll do a final test. And we're back. I put it back together. Before I put it back together, I cleaned the inside of the enclosure. I saw signs of some blue corrosion in the enclosure itself. So I used some IPA and just brushed it off. And here we go. Final test. All good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.